only 30 nak kena ka angka sin 30 kadai p by h neng yo kadai p by h kadai nak ka formula sin kadai perpendicular by hypotenuse. Okay, perpendicular by hypotenuse. Tahu ni dia perpendicular, ni dia hypotenuse. Tahu sin 30 ka formula kadai 1 by 2. So p dia perpendicular. Perpendicular dia line A and B. Okay, then H hypotenuse dia line U, dia line A and C. So haja jang H into AC. Next, the AB, the AC. Mentai ingin pay you AC. Now line AC udah kat no 20 meter. Alpha naga question. So in place of AC we write 20. Okay, we replace your AC shall 20. The next, the dapat cross multiply 2 into AB will be how much? 2AB cross multiply. Okay, this one and this one. So 2 into AB will be 2AB, then 1 into 20 will be 20. So ngira yung neo 2 siya ka right hand side like divide in a fraction. Lang divide je kene, okay, lang divide je kene ini yo kana 10 meter. Nomor ba 2 into 10 will be 20, so 10 meter. So kene kada answer ma AB dek kajing jerong jong utu pull selna pull. So the height of the pole is 10 meter long. Ma kajing